Hello and welcome back to the Ielts. In the last lesson we discussed hometown. Another topic likely to appear in the first part of the test is family. The expected questions include the type of family you have, what its members are like, activities that you do together, and the kind of relationship that you have. The key points under this topic are family structure, members, customs and traditions, activities and rules set in the family. In Ielts speaking, you will have the chance to talk about various topics which portray different moods. Talking about family gives us a feeling of excitement. We generally feel happy when we talk about things that we love, and our family is precisely one of them. So an essential skill in this lesson is setting the mood of the answer. Mood is a speaker's feeling or specific state of mind at any particular time. Mood sets the overall tone of a speech and describes the atmosphere of places, events and groups of people. Mood gives a better interpretation of what is being said. It conveys emotions and feelings and adds interest to any story or situation. Cheerful, idyllic and melancholic are some of the common moods. These are the most common moods in part 1 which you may encounter while talking about yourself or your experiences. Avoid being monotonous because the questions were designed to make you relaxed and talk more. Though questions in the first part of the test are predictable, do not memorize your answers. Unplanned answers always sound much more natural than planned responses. It's probable that the examiner will change the subject or give you a lower score if he notices or recognizes a memorized answer. Use the topics to practice your spontaneity to sound natural. Now let's look at some questions about family. This question requires you to talk about your family structure and its members. Generally, you'll feel positive about answering this common question, so to show your willingness to speak, set a cheerful mood. This mood will make your answers sound more interesting. This is another common question about family. In Ielts speaking, you don't need to always give a positive answer because it's not always that you have happy memories. Thus, a part of your answer may have a melancholic mood. Though you're not aiming to get sympathy from the examiner, setting the appropriate mood will make your message clear. The mood of your answers affects the quality of your speech. It should be appropriate with what you're saying. For example, if you're talking about a bad experience, the mood should be melancholic, while a happy experience should have a cheerful mood. Observe how mood affects an answer with these examples. I'd like to talk about my dream get-together. First, the venue would be at a beach resort where everyone can enjoy the beach. Second, I want organised family team building activities that everyone, young and old, would participate in to strengthen our relationship. Finally, I want the get-together to last at least 3 days to give enough time for everyone to relax and catch up with one another. Now I'll deliver the answer with a more appropriate mood. I'd like to talk about my dream get-together. First, the venue would be at a beach resort where everyone can enjoy the beach. Second, I want organised family team building activities that everyone, young and old, would participate in to strengthen our relationship. Finally, I want the get-together to last at least 3 days to give enough time for everyone to relax and catch up with one another. Both sample answers are the same, but had different moods. The first sample answer had a melancholic mood, which is inappropriate because the content of the answer is talking about positive things. In contrast, the second answer had a cheerful mood, which made the speech more interesting and light-hearted. In conclusion, the mood you set should be appropriate with your answer to make it sound more natural and engaging. A positive statement should have a positive mood, and a negative statement should have a negative mood. I hope you enjoyed that discussion. As always, it's been a pleasure. Goodbye for now.